Welcome to the Demon Princess Show.
Now, where is she? She always appears right when I'm done cooking. Well, I guess I can do a little cleanup in the kitchen while I wait for her. Oh, there you are. You're always surprising me the way that you appear out of nowhere.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Oh, you brought something from home? Oh my goodness. Whoa, isn't that delightful? Let's save that for later. What do you say?
Okay, Sharon.
For right now, here's some wine. And let's fix your silverware. There we go. Okay, so I already have your plate finished. So you ready for it? Alright. I think you'll enjoy it tonight. So, the main course is chicken Alfredo, sprinkled with some parsley and with some diced garlic and onions mixed in with some creamy sauce. And then we have our baked potato with shredded cheese, sour cream, and seasoning. Then on the side we have our fresh corn. Doesn't that look lovely? So enjoy. And then afterwards you can have your special treat. But no cheating. I'm watching you. I know you're sneaky.